Yeah, finally we are done with the session of Level 2 Appian Senior Developer Certification Preparation. And in this entire masterclass, I have explained you how to prepare for your L2 certification, how to plan your studies, and how to strategically follow the syllabus so that you can achieve your target goal. So the goal is to get certified in L2, and you are now following the new syllabus that I have prepared for you, which you will follow step by step so that you achieve the certification. And my objective is not to just promote the certification or not to promote learning, but also to promote your own knowledge. So with this practical knowledge that I have given to you, the theoretical stuff and the contents that I have given to you, this will also help you in your interview preparation in the longer duration of time, because with variety of contents and diverse knowledge, you will also enhance your confidence. And if your confidence is increased, then it will be helpful for your interview also. So I just want to hear an honest review. We had a very long journey, and you have been one of my old trainees when it comes to Appian training and when it comes to level 1 Appian preparation, and then we are here at level 2. So I just want to understand how it has been till now, and from day one when you met me virtually, and from day one till today, how is it till now in your like learning journey, and how is it going? Just want an honest review.
Yeah. Uh, Actually, I was cleared the L1 because of your planners and everything. It was while giving the exam also, I was very confident because I cleared almost every topic which was given by you for the L1. Now the planner for L2 also, I was very much confused about where to start and all. By seeing the planner, I was confident about the topics which I have to cover and all. And I can also arrange the preparation strategy and allocate the time accordingly based on your planner. You Thank you so much, Chef. You have been very much helpful from the beginning of the training. Or even if I get any other doubts in APN, I will just ping you. You will be replying back with your answers and all. You will be guiding me so much. Thank you so much for that. I,
And like out of 10, how much will you rate me for the entire journey of your learning, training, plus the interview preparation, plus your L1 preparation and this L2 preparation?
I will give you 10 out of 10.
Oh, literally. Thank you so much. 10 out of 10 is a very good score for me, because my energy is totally dedicated to the person who is learning with me. So it's like I have given my 100% efforts, and you just have to give your 100% efforts to make it fruitful at your side. So training is
Yes,
a
yes,
win-win situation for both the people only when the learner is ready to learn. So that's my always that's I always encourage with other people, that yes, you have to work hard. Human mind is capable to learn anything if you are ready to take the step. If you are ready to work hard, then you are capable to learn anything. So you can do anything that you want in life the moment you are ready to do it. So ending this review video with this positive
yeah,
note, and
yeah.
we'll keep
But
on
this
with
is
this
not
journey.
like a usual training because you will be mentoring throughout the journey. So,
Sorry, I lost your voice.
yeah, it is not like a usual training because you will be mentoring from the beginning
I
to
never
the
think that
career.
the training is ended after like XYZ days, because it is a thought of a career. You just have to, go along with your career. With after the training, you have to go for certifications, and you have to take a long road, and you have to walk a long path. So as a mentor, there are people who are in touch with me from a very, very long time, just like you. So I feel amazed that people who are around me, they are growing because they are believing themselves and they are working hard. So my journey is always a long-term thing with all of you. So just wanted to thank you for believing in me and believing in yourself. And yeah, we'll keep up the good journey. Thank you so much for giving me 10 out of 10. You made my day, and I'll see you someday later. Till then,